feedback on what's changed. I'm needing to venture out further and further from where I live, and I'm also needing more seat time than ever to form a real opinion on a particular version. And by the time I have something to really say, a new version comes out and the process starts all over. And there is a reason why it's getting harder to summarize these new versions. As you probably know, but I'll briefly explain, a few months ago, full self-driving went through a significant transformation and had what I consider its ChatGPT moment. All previous versions before it were manually programmed by humans with specific instructions for tasks like object recognition, stopping at stop signs and red lights.
Comments on the changes. I'm having to travel farther and farther from my home, and I'm also requiring more southeast time than ever before I can truly form an opinion on a given edition. A new version is released before I have anything significant to say, and the process is restarted. As you are undoubtedly aware, there is a reason why summarizing these updated versions is becoming more difficult, but allow me to briefly explain. Full self-driving underwent a major metamorphosis a few months ago, and I think it had its ChatGPT moment. Its predecessors were all human-programmed versions that had detailed instructions on how to stop at stop signs and red lights, and recognize objects. We're delving further into a number of exciting Tesla advancements in today's video. We begin with a thorough examination of the notable improvements made to Tesla's fully autonomous software, examining how these developments hold the potential to completely transform the field of autonomous driving. The strategic market expansions of Tesla, especially its entry into Europe, and the possible effects on global sales dynamics will also be covered. We'll also examine the competitive dynamics in the electric car market, with a particular emphasis on the close competition between Xiaomi's C7 and Tesla's Model 3 in China, emphasizing the subtleties that may influence consumer choices. As we analyze these developments and offer insights into their implications for Tesla's future and the larger electric vehicle market, stay tuned. So grab a seat and let's start this fascinating adventure into the Tesla world. For more daily updates and in-depth analysis on everything Tesla, don't forget to press the bell, subscribe, and hit the like button. Let's examine the specifics. A recent creative promotional offer for Tesla's Model S and Model X cars in the US and Canada marks a strategic shift in the company's marketing strategy. Customers can purchase a comprehensive 3-year bundle that includes free supercharging, full self-driving capabilities, and premium connection services for a $5,000 one-time payment. In addition to offering significant financial savings throughout the course of the bundle, this alluring package greatly improves the high-end Tesla vehicle's overall ownership experience. By offering such a bundle, Tesla is taking a proactive step to combine more of its state-of-the-art technologies into a single alluring pricing structure, thereby opening up sophisticated features to a wider range of consumers. This tactic might greatly raise the perceived worth of Tesla's products, which could result in more devoted customers and greater sales figures. Market experts and industry insiders are keeping a careful eye on this development, since it could establish new guidelines for the packaging and sale of automotive technology bundles. There is increasing expectation that Tesla will provide comparable bundle choices for its more popular Model 3 and Model Y automobiles. If put into practice, this may significantly alter customer demand and expectations for Tesla's whole range of vehicles, enticing a wider market to choose electric cars with cutting-edge autonomous driving features. In addition to solidifying Tesla's market dominance, such a move may hasten the industry's uptake of electric cars and autonomous driving technologies. Renowned industry analyst James has expressed doubt about how FSD's present market traction will affect this new approach, arguing that the move is intended to increase interest in auto margins for Tesla rather than being motivated by the demand for FSD. Furthermore, Tesla may integrate FSD with insurance services in the future, which might upend the market by reducing insurance premiums and enhancing security. Customers who frequently use supercharging services might save anywhere from $10,000 to $15,000 over the course of the agreement, according to financial analysts' calculations. However, unless Tesla decides to increase the price of FSD subscriptions in the future, a move that would guarantee current pricing for early adopters of this deal, the economics might not be as attractive for people who supercharge less regularly. In other news, when Tucker's video about the truck went popular, Tesla changed its sales strategy by eliminating the need for reservations for its Cybertruck. Potential customers can now place direct orders via Tesla's online configurator, indicating that early reservations have been met and signaling a new stage in the company's marketing and production plans. These recent events at Tesla point to a deliberate effort to adjust to changing consumer preferences and market dynamics, which could pave the way for more cutting-edge products in the future. It's evident that Tesla is still guiding the market for electric vehicles as it explores these waters, especially with its lower volume models. It encourages both new and returning customers to choose its technologically advanced solutions. Residents of Canada and Mexico have just received invitations from Tesla to customize their Foundation Series Cybertrucks, indicating that the firm is getting close to filling its initial reservation list for these vehicles. Canadian fans hoping to get a Cybertruck should expect to pay a high premium. Given the substantial financial outlay necessary to buy such a cutting-edge vehicle, the luxury tax alone on these cars can reach an astounding $888,000. Tesla has also started allowing the general public in the US to take test drives of the Cybertruck in an effort to increase interest. The company jokingly refers to this as a first date with the new vehicle. Even though a lot of people might drive for fun, this program is probably going to turn some test drivers into eventual Cybertruck owners. With ambitions to launch the Tesla semi-truck in this region, Tesla is aggressively growing its business operations in Europe. To build client relationships and lead the Tesla Semi's rollout, the company is now looking for a business development manager with a presence in Europe. These trucks will initially be made in the United States and sent to Europe, but in order to improve distribution efficiency and streamline operations, plans are in the works to establish direct production in Europe, most likely at Tesla's Gigafactory Berlin. In addition to these calculated growths, Tesla has now found itself embroiled in legal and business disputes. The Global Alliance for Responsible Media was sued for antitrust by Elon Musk and his business, X. Due to financial difficulties, the alliance decided to discontinue all operations as a result of this action, which may allow Musk to devote more time to more urgent business ventures with Tesla. A layer of controversy and complexity has been added to the situation by the ongoing investigation into the former partnership and possible collaboration aimed at demonetizing conservative programs. These business and legal issues show the complex dynamics and pressures that Tesla and Elon Musk's empire must deal with as they manage fast innovation and the complex network of international business relationships. A new piece in Barron's notes notable advancements in Tesla's full self-driving software version 12.5, which is an exciting development for Tesla devotees. The reviewer saw a rise in fully autonomous drives and a decrease in interventions following a week of intense testing and more than 1,000 miles of driving. Elon Musk's claim that the most recent FSD version marks a substantial advancement in autonomous driving technology is supported by this improved performance. Discussions on the semi-truck's entry into the European market have also accelerated as Tesla works to improve its FSD capabilities. Head of Tesla's semi-business development in the US, Graham Carroll, confirmed plans to introduce the electric vehicle to European markets, demonstrating a sincere desire to set up a production plant in Europe to facilitate this growth. Concurrently, it has been claimed that Tesla's Gigafactory Texas is increasing production of the Cybertruck, possibly as a result of the new rule that permits orders without previous reservations. Since a deeper examination is still difficult, there is much conjecture as to whether these are Foundation Series or standard models. Another calculated move by Tesla is the release of a new Quicksilver color choice for the Model 3 in the US, which costs an extra $2,000 and is also available in Canada. Curiosity and excitement for the next FSD update are sparked by the apparent difference between the US and European versions of this new color. The luxury tax that is imposed on the Cybertruck in Canada is a problem that Tesla is actively working to resolve. Since the weight of the vehicle exceeds the government-imposed 80,500 T-bone weight standard, Tesla is hopeful that the tax will soon be lifted, making the Cybertruck more affordable for Canadian buyers. Technically speaking, Tesla devotees and investors are taking notice of the most recent FSD version. According to crowdsourced data, even though the rate of interventions has increased,